Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the stilt floor and service floor layers for both existing and proposed drawings. So one thing you can find is that in these layers can be found in our drawing template. You have to download the drawing template from the Sujog website. In there, you will find the stilt floor proposed, stilt floor existing, service floor proposed, and service floor existing layers. So if your drawing have stilt floor and or service floor, then you have to provide these particular layers so that the scrutiny will read it and you will get the required FAR relaxations and other provisions in the scrutiny report. Here you can see in the drawing template, we have the layer names. Then what layer names you have to put in the drawing, that is stilt block, end floor, end stilt floor, and so as the layer names are there. You have to the color code is defined as per sub-occupancy type. That means the color code of the service floor or the stilt floor, no matter whether it is existing or proposed, will be as per the sub-occupancy type for which it is being provided. For example, if you're providing the stilt floor in a residential plotted existing area, then the sub-occupancy color code will be as per that only. Then you will find a example polygon over here and dimension that you can use in your drawing. Now I'll just take you to the drawing and briefly explain how to put these layers in the drawing. Here you can see this is my stilt floor. In my stilt floor, you can see this is my proposed section, that is in sub-occupancy color code 11, and this is my existing section, that is in sub-occupancy color code 22. Here I have provided this much as my stilt area, like this much will be my stilt area, and the layer name of this will be block 1 floor 0 stilt floor, and the color code is similar where it has been provided. That is, I am providing it for the proposed stilt floor in the residential plotted sub-occupancy type. So the sub-occupancy type color code is 11. For the existing part, my existing sub-occupancy type color code is 22. So the dimension, so the polygon has been provided in the same color code. For each and every polygon that you will be drawing for the stilt floor and the service floor, you have to provide the dimension of 2.4 meters as per the ODA bylaws. So you can see over here that I have provided one polygon for stilt floor existing, stilt floor proposed in color code 21, color code 11, and another in for stilt floor existing in color code 22. You have to provide a dimension of the height of the stilt floor for each case scenario, and it has to be 2.4. Similarly, for my service floor, you can see over here that my second floor is a service floor, and in that again, the color code 11, that is the residential plotted side of it, is my proposed section, whereas the MIG section, that is color code 22, is my existing. So my service floor polygon that I have provided over here for the MIG has the color code 22, and the one I have provided for the residential plotted section proposed one, that is in color code 11. So, and for this one also I have to provide the dimension, that is 2.4 meters. It has to be 2.4 meters as per the ODA bylaws, and I have provided the dimension for both proposed section and for both existing section. If you have a drawing that has multiple proposed sections with multiple sub-occupancy types, all you have to do is similarly create another polygon for that particular sub-occupancy type, give it the color code of that sub-occupancy type, and draw a dimension line for it of 2.4 meters. The same thing can be done for the existing part as well. This applies to both stilt floor and service floor. So now I'll just do a scrutiny of this particular drawing and show you how these things are reflected in your scrutiny report. Here you can see that I have done the scrutiny for that particular project. And you can see it over here that for the medium income housing section, the for the existing part, the floor area is getting deducted, and the stilt area is getting deducted from the floor area. And for the services part, existing service floor, the service floor area is getting deducted from the floor area. The same has been happening for the proposed section as well. Here you can see residential plotted, the area is coming, the floor area is coming after getting the deduction, and the same is happening for the proposed service floor area as well. So you can use these layers to define your existing stilt floor or proposed stilt floor, existing service floor or proposed service floor.